Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is a pathology video on gastrointestinal pathology. This is the third in the series of videos on polyps of the intestine and covers the topic classification and hyperplastic polyps. This is by Dr. C.S.B.R. Prasad, Professor of Pathology, Sri Devarajaras Medical College.
And polyps of the GIT can be classified mainly into neoplastic and non-neoplastic polyps. And neoplastic polyps are equated with adenomas. So again, I stress adenomas of GIT requires a qualifier, that is dysplasia, whereas adenomas in other parts of the body will not have this rider. Okay, so if you want to call something adenoma in GIT, it must have dysplasia. Then non-neoplastic polyps can be due to inflammation, inflammatory polyp, hamartomatous polyp, or hyperplastic variety of polyps. So coming to hyperplastic polyps, they have no malignant potential whatsoever, and they occur in older age group, and this occurs due to decreased shedding of epithelial cells from the surface and with progressive accumulation of the cells producing nodules or polyps. And the importance of this hyperplastic polyps is they have got certain resemblance to that of the one more polyp known as serrated polyp, which has got malignant potential. So these polyps should not be mistaken for serrated adenomas. And morphologically, it is commonly seen in the left side of the colon and less than 5 millimeters in diameter, and they will have smooth nodular protrusions in the mucosa, and they are multiple, and histologically they may show serrated architecture. You can see that the cross section of the gland is stellate shaped. It is due to serrations which can be appreciated in the longitudinal sections. But see that serrations, they are confined to the top portions of the crypts. Only upper portions of the crypts are involved in this serration, and this feature will help us to identify and differentiate this hyperplastic polyp from that of serrated adenoma.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe by clicking the button subscribe.